Today's class will be on reminders. Yesterday I took a reminders close to 5.5 hour session. 5.5 hours I discussed reminders. Let me repeat what are all the concepts which I discussed yesterday. I discussed all the problems based on negative reminders. What is a negative reminder, right? How to use a negative reminder, what happens when numerator and denominator are co-prime, what if they are not co-prime, what if the denominator is a composite number, how to use Euler theorem, how to use Chinese remainder theorem, when to use Euler theorem, when to use Chinese remainder theorem, when to use Fermat's theorem, few problems based on a power n plus or minus b power n. So negative remainder we started with, then we discussed Euler theorem. Euler theorem is used extensively because the negative remainder does not necessarily give us the remainder when numerator divided by denominator as +1 or -1 directly. You need to find out the power of the numerator when divided by denominator either +1 or -1. So that we call it as a totient function. Right? Yesterday we discussed what is totient function, how many natural numbers less than or equivalent to 360 are divisible by 235, divisible by 2, 3 but not 5, not divisible by 2 but 3, 5, all the things which we discussed. Euler's theorem is used when the denominator is a composite number. dr represents a composite number. Fermat's theorem is used when the denominator is a prime number. Fermat's theorem is used when the denominator is a prime number. Fermat's theorem is used when the denominator is a prime number, but not always. When we use Euler theorem, we get the answer very fast. So we discussed one more concept which we call it as a Chinese remainder theorem. We have discussed close to 90 problems yesterday on the Sunday. Students who attended the class have immensely got benefited from all the varieties of questions. Students have started messaging me, sir, now reminders became very, very easy to me. Chinese remainder theorem. Then we started with a few concepts based on a power n plus or minus b power n. These are the concepts which we discussed yesterday. Now I will discuss in detail. What are all the other concepts? Shall I start the class? Kindly reply it in the live chat. Shall I start the class? Kindly reply it in the live chat so that everybody is set. Remember, the person who is taking your class has taken more than 500 times more than 1000 students in a class. So please pay ultra attention to the lecture. Avoid taking screenshots. That is not the right way to learn mathematics. The best way to learn mathematics is to understand and do some kind of pen pushing and start creating your own questions from whatever the concept that is clear to you. You must sit with the notebook and a pen or a pencil. Any viewer who is watching the class in your mobile, I strongly advise you to put earphones so that you will not get distracted by the outside environment and your focus is completely on the audio and the video of the class. Please do not skip in between. If you miss the connections in between, you will not be able to connect the dots. Every question today is a very, very good question. Please watch the entire lecture. And to get the maximum output from the lecture, please note down the important key points. Right? If any student got any doubts, please take down our email ID, support@anilnayarclasses.com. Support@anilnayarclasses.com is our official mail ID to clarify the doubts. Any student who is watching it for the first time like Shankar Yadav and others, right, kindly WhatsApp to this number. This is our official number to get all the live class updates. It has been observed that sometime YouTube does not send a notification to the people who subscribe to a particular channel. You might think that today there is no class. So I strongly suggest you should send a WhatsApp message to me. Kindly save this number first. If you save this number and send it as a WhatsApp, I can do a WhatsApp broadcast for you. We have got close to 14,800 students in this official mobile number. So in case if you want all the live class and updates of Anil Nayar's classes, please take your mobile, save this number first and WhatsApp sending a very short message, sir, please send me the live class notation. Our team will be very, very happy to do it. Happy to do it. So we will start the class. 2 hours of non-stop mathematical problem solving only on the topic reminders. Any student asking me any doubts in any other topic, with a lot of kindness, I will say no to it. When I discuss the topic, I will discuss that one. Only restrict yourself to a reminders topic. Any student who is not a serious and a sincere student who want to clear their competitive examination, please, we advise you not to sit and waste your time if you are here for a time pass activity. We don't encourage non-serious and a non-sincere student. If you put any message which is a non-academic in the live chat, the only thing which we will do very nicely to you is to block you. So listen carefully. By the end of the class, I will ensure that you become very, very good in reminders. Level 1 problems, totally 3 levels of problems which we will discuss. If time permits, I will get into level 3. I have planned another 4 hours for you only on reminders. This is the problem. We are not interested in solving the problem. We are interested in knowing the concept. I will just repeat the concept for you. Note. A power n minus b power n is always divisible by a power n minus b power n is always divisible by a minus b if n is a natural number. A power n minus b power n is also divisible by, that means in addition to getting divided by a minus b, it is also divisible by a plus b if n is an even number. Write down in the same order whatever I am specifying it. A power n minus b power n. A square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. A cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. If you observe a square minus b square or a cube minus b cube, in both these terms a minus b is a factor. That is the reason I said if n could be an even number or n could be an odd number, a power n minus b power n is always divisible by a minus b. But if n is an even number, for example, a square minus b square is divisible by a minus b and a plus b. Look at the powers in the question. You will come to know whether it is only divisible by a minus b or divisible by a minus b and a plus b. Now let us look at this question. Now if you see reminder 1, listen carefully to every solution which I am solving, sir. 74 power 13 minus 41 power 13 plus 75 power 13 minus 42 power 13 divided by 66. Now if you listen carefully, first one, what is that we discussed? A power n minus b power n is always divisible by a minus b if n is a natural number. This is of the form a power n minus b power n. So this is divisible by a minus b. 74 minus 41, which is nothing but 33. Similarly, third and fourth terms, a power n minus b power n is always divisible by a minus b. It is also divisible by 33. Just by looking at a question based upon a power n minus b power n property, numerator is divisible by 33. But according to the question, denominator is 66. So we have to check whether another 2 comes in the question. Why? Because 66 is 2 into 33. 74 is an even number. Even number power any number is even. 41 is an odd number. Odd number power any number is an odd number. 75 odd number. Odd number power any number is odd number. 42 is even. Even number power any number is even. Even minus odd is odd. Odd minus even is Odd minus even is odd. What is odd plus odd? What is odd plus odd? Odd plus odd is an even number. Odd plus odd is an even number. That means numerator is divisible by an even number. What do you mean by an even number? Even number means it is divisible by 2. What is the numerator also divisible by? 33. 2 and 33. 2 and 33 combination is nothing but 66. So answer for the first question is 0. Answer for the first question is 0. I hope it is clear. Answer for the first question is 0. I hope the idea is clear. Remember, if the power is an even number or if the power is an odd number, a power n minus b power n is always divisible by a minus b. If it is an even number, it is divisible by a plus b also. That means by default it is divisible by a minus b. It is also divisible by a plus b only if the power is an even number. Power is a natural number. All the cases it is divisible by a minus b. This is an original exam model question. I hope the power concept is clear. Manish, that is what I said. I repeat for you beta. Power is an natural number. A power n minus b power n is always divisible by a minus b. I hope the first concept is clear. First problem, I hope it is clear. Second one. Reminder 1 power 13, 2 power 13 and so on up to 60 power 13 divisible by 61. The concept which we are using in this question is a power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b. A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. First problem is based on a power n minus b power n. Second problem is based on a power n plus b power n. A cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So by using this concept, the question is 1 power 13, 2 power 13, 3 power 13 and so on. Let me write like this: 30 power 13, 31 I'll write it down, 31 power 13. Here if it is 29 power 13, here it is 32 power 13 and so on up to 60 power 13. Now if you write like this, the best thing is you will come to know what is happening. A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is odd. 1 plus 60 means it is divisible by 61. 2 and 59. 2 and 59 is also divisible by 61. 3 and 58 is also divisible by 61. 30 and 31 is also divisible by 61. First and last, second and second last, third and third last, fourth and fourth last. So there are 60 terms are there. First 30 terms I have got, the next 30 terms whose sum it will make 61. So what is the answer for this question? Answer is 0. Answer is 0. Look at carefully to every problem. I will also tell you which problem you might do a mistake and what are all the mistake a student will do it, right? With my 14 and a half years of experience. I hope the second problem is clear. The way I am telling it should be there in your notebook. It is not a verbal class to take a screenshot. Screenshot learning is not the efficient way of learning aptitude. Answer is 0. I hope it is clear. Second one, it is clear. Please underline this concept. What is the concept that we are using? A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is odd. First problem, what is the concept? A power n minus b power n is always divisible by a minus b if n is a natural number, is also divisible by a plus b if n is an even number. Second problem. When I did these first two problems, third one, most of the students, hurriedly, they will do a mistake. In hurry, they will do a mistake. Please tell me the answer for the third question. Please tell me the answer for the third question. Reminder 1, 22 power 23, 22 power 3, 23 power 3 and so on up to 88 power 3 divided by 110. Divided by 110. Most of the students who are solving this question, because it is not because you don't know this answer, you don't know how to solve this question. It is just because you are little impatient. You do not read the question. You think that just because you got good marks in 10th and plus 2, you think that you have understood the concept only after solving first or second problem. Right answer, Ramcharan is saying. Right answer is 0. Exactly to students like Ramcharan, I wanted to tell that in hurry, don't do this mistake. Answer is not 110. Now let us see here. Reminder, 22 power 3, we will write like this: 22 power 3, 23 power 3, and so on up to 54 power 3 plus 55 power 3. I will write it like this: plus 56 power 3, and so on up to 88 power 3. I will write like this. Now if I write like this, what is the concept in this question? A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. Check whether the power is an odd number. Yes, the power is 3, 3 is an odd number. 22 plus 88 is 110. Yes. 23 plus 87 is 110. Yes. 54 and 56 is 110. Yes. 55 is left. 54 has got 56, 52 has got 58, 23 has got 87, 22 has got 88. So remaining value is 55 cube. 55 cube divided by 110. By this time you should have understood. Now see here. 55 cube divided by 110. Think logically better. From 22 to 88. How many numbers are there from 2 to 10? It is nothing but 10 minus 2 plus 1. 10 minus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Am I right? How many numbers are there from 22 to 88? Which is nothing but 88 minus 22. 88 minus 22 plus 1. 66 plus 1, 67. In 67 terms, there are 33 terms whose sum will give you 110 in the next 33. What is left? 1. Here first 33 has got next 33, but one term is remaining. So the first thing is answer is not 0. Answer is not 0. So 55 cube by 110. I hope it is clear. Why answer is not 0? Why answer is not 0? I hope the idea is clear. Why the answer is not 0? I hope the idea is clear. Now we have got 55 cube by 110, which we got. Now we will solve this. I am not interested in answers. I am interested in telling you all the varieties of models. 55 cube by 110. Another thing, please remember 9 divided by 2. 2 4s are 8, remainder is 1. 18 divided by 4. 4 4s are 16, remainder 2. Even though 18 by 4 and 9 by 2 looks to be similar, but they are not similar. Under what point of reference? 9 and 2 are co-prime to each other, but 18 and 4 are not co-prime to each other. Both are even numbers. So how to get these 2 from that one? 2 into 9, 2 into 2. Take the common factor out. Common factor out is 2. 9 by 2 is 1. Common factor is 2. Eliminate it and remultiply it. Whenever the numerator and denominator are not co-prime to each other, please write down this point. When numerator and denominator, yesterday I discussed in my 3rd class, when the numerator and denominator are not co-prime to each other, if they are not co-prime to each other, take the factor common out. Take the factor common out and remultiply. Take the factor common out and remultiply. So this is nothing but 55 cube by 110 is 55 into 2. So this is nothing but 55 square by 2. 55 is an odd number. Odd number divided by 2, it is 1. 1 is for the answer 55 square, but I require it for 55 cube. Take the factor common out and multiply. Answer for the 3rd question is not 0 but 55. Answer for the 3rd question is not 0 but 55. I hope the idea is clear. First problem is a power n plus or minus b power n. Second problem is a power n. First we did it as a power n minus b power n. Second we did it as a power n plus b power n. Third we did it as when the numerator and denominator are not co-prime to each other, take the factor common out and re-multiply. Take the factor common out and re-multiply. Another beautiful question, original exam question. Reminder 1. 3 power 444 plus 4 power 3 power 333 divided by 5. So I will write the equation again. 3 power 444 plus 4 power 333 divided by 5. So write the numerator it as 3 power 4 power 111 plus 4 power 3 power 111 divided by 5. I hope it is clear. Already we discussed in the second problem, a power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. Remember this. So 111 is an odd number. So the numerator is divisible by 3 power 4 plus 4 power 3. 81 plus 64 is 145. 145 is nothing but 5 into 29. Any number divisible by 145 is also divisible by the factor of 145. So answer for this question is 0. Answer for this question is 0. I hope the idea is clear. I hope the idea is clear. No answers in the live chat. I don't need anybody to answer it in the live chat and kill the understanding of the student who is listening to the class for the first time. Right? Good if you are getting answers. No need to expose that you got the answer. Right? The role of a teacher is to make a student understand and create their own questions. I am not here to just to tell you this answer is right, this answer is wrong. I am least interested in that. Generally, it is said in Greek literature that children have the greatest ability to imitate. So let me give them a right things for them to imitate. Let me tell them that if you are right, going in a step by step, you will get the answer. Right answer is 0. Right? Bajpayee, good performance, but avoid telling the answers. Fourth one. Fifth one, original exam question. A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is odd. If n is odd. So 43 power 101 plus 23 power 101 is divisible by 66. So answer for this question is 0. Answer for this question is 0. Answer 0. Idea clear, right? Right? Level 1, level 2, level 3. 3 kinds of level. Slowly from the basics, I will take you to the advanced level. Slowly from the basics, I will take you to the advanced level. I hope the fifth one, it is clear. Now comes the sixth one. Sixth one. Please write down a very, very important note to solve this question. Note. If A1, A2, A3 and so on till an, if they are in arithmetic progression, if the series is in arithmetic progression means different term between terms, consecutive terms is the same, and if the power k is an odd number, a1 power k plus a2 power k and so on up to an power k is always divisible by always divisible by sum of the bases. Very, very interesting property. And so on up to an. Please write down. Only if the power is an odd number and the base terms are in AP. AP means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Difference is 2. 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. Difference is 3, which is same. If k is an odd number and the bases are in AP, right? Then A1 power k plus A2 power k and so on AN power k is always divisible by A1 plus A2 and so on up to AN. So if the power, if I take power is k is 39, which is an odd number, first property is satisfied. 1 power 39, 2 power 39, 12 power 39. 1, 2, 3 till 12 all are in arithmetic progression, so it is divisible by sum of the bases 1 plus 2 and so on up to 12, summation 12. So it is 12 into 13 by 2, 78. Any number divisible by 78 is also divisible by 2 and 39, so answer is 0. Answer is 0. Extremely important property, please make a note of it. Right? If the power is an odd number, A1, A2, A3 and so on up to AN, if they are in arithmetic progression, difference between the terms is consecutive terms is the same, then A1 power k plus A2 power k plus AN power k is always divisible by sum of the bases A1 plus A2 plus A3 and so on up to AN. I hope this concept is clear. I hope this concept is clear. Next, seventh question. Seventh question. Idea is clear, right? Seventh question. If the power is odd, then lot of new properties are coming. Right? Next one. Seventh one. Another question. You can solve this question in two methods. Reminder 1 power 7 plus 2 power 7 and so on up to 100 power 7 divided by 202. So method 1. Method 1. You can write like this: 1 power 7, 2 power 7, 3 power 7 and so on up to 50 power 7, 51 power 7 and so on up to 100 power 7. Sum is nothing but 101, 101, 101, 101. All are divisible by 101. But if you observe, and there is one more thing, 1 power 7 plus 100 power 7. 1 is an odd number. 100 is an even number. Even plus odd is odd. Like that, odd. 2 and 99. 2 power 7, 99 power 7. Even plus odd, odd. Odd, odd, odd. Total 100 terms, 50 times odd numbers I am getting. 50 times if I add odd numbers, I will get an even number. So it is divisible by 101 and an even number. Even number means divisible by 2 and 101. 2 and 101 is 202. Answer is nothing but 0. Answer is nothing but 0. Answer is nothing but 0. Idea clear? 1 power 7 plus 2 power 7, right? And so on up to 50 power 7. 51 to 100. First plus last. 1 plus 100 is 101. 2 plus 99 is 101. 3 plus 98 is 101. 50 plus 51 is 101. So first and last, second and second last, third and third last, 50 and 51. All are divisible by 101. So answer should be divisible by 101. First and last, even plus odd is odd. Second plus second last, even plus odd is odd. Odd, odd, odd like that. 50 times I am adding odd. If I am adding odd number 2 times, odd plus odd is even. If I am adding odd number 4 times, odd plus odd is even, plus odd plus odd is even. Even plus even is also even. So odd, 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 entire 50 times is even. Are you all with me? This is method 1. Method 1 is based on a power n plus b power n property. A power n plus b power n property. A power n plus b power n property. Hey Anil sir, you discussed another concept in the previous question. Can I use another concept? Right? The concept which I used in the 6th question. Yes, beta, you can use that another concept also. What is that concept? 7 is an odd number. 1 power 7 2 power 7 and so on up to 100 power 7, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 100. They are all consecutive natural numbers. Consecutive natural numbers are all consecutive natural numbers. Consecutive natural numbers are always in AP. So it is divisible by summation 100. 100 summation 100 is 100 into 101 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 50s are 50 is nothing but 2 into 25 into 101. 101 into 2 is 202. So answer is 0. Answer is 0. I hope the idea is clear. Either you can use a power n plus b power n and a number tree concept, or you can use if k is odd and the bases are in arithmetic progression, right? The a1 power k, a2 power k and so on up to an power k is divisible by the sum of its bases. I hope the idea is clear. First 7 questions, I'm sure it should be absolutely clear to you without any doubt. I hope level 1 questions are very, very clear.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Now, level 2. Level 2. Now listen carefully to every question. 32 power 50 divided by 9. 32 power 50 divided by 9. Now, I will solve this question in 3 methods. Method 1. Method 1. Negative remainder concept. Method 1. Negative remainder concept. Now, if you see remainder 1, 32 power 50 divided by 9. Forget about the powers. First divide 32 by 9. 9 3s are 27, remainder is 5. So 9 4s are 36, negative remainder is minus 4. Either you can use plus 5 or minus 4. Both it will give you the answer. I am more interested in method 3. Minus 4 power 50 divided by 9. So this is nothing but minus 4 power 50 is minus power even is even. 4 power 50 divided by 9. So this is nothing but 4 cube power 16 into 4 square divided by 9. Why am I doing 4 cube? 4 cube is 64. 9 sevens are 63. Remainder is 1. 16 divided by 7. 9 ones are 9. Remainder is 7. 1 into 7 is 7. 1 into 7 is 7. This method we discussed yesterday in the class. I am just repeating it in case if students want a revision. Right? I am more interested in method 3. 32 power 50 divided by 9. 9 4s are 36. Minus 4 power 50. Minus power even is plus. 4 power 50 divided by 9. Which power of 4 when divided by 9? I will get plus 1 or minus 1. 4 cube is 64. 64 divided by 9. 9 sevens are 63. Remainder is 1. This is method 1. Now, if Anil Nair classes students are solving this one. ANC students, especially ANC enrolled students, you should, if the options are like this, 7, 6, 5, 9, this negative remainder, you don't need to do it. It's a waste of time. All these is a waste of time. If Anil Nair classes enrolled students are solving it, how you should solve it is 9 is nothing but 3 into 3. 3 11s are 33. 33 is minus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. That means answer when divided by 3, it should give a remainder 1. Answer when divided by 3, it should give a remainder 1. 6 is 3 into 2. 9 is 3 into 3. 5 is 3 into 1 plus 2. 7 is 3 into 2 plus 1. That means by just writing the denominator as a product of factors, you can eliminate incorrect answers. You can eliminate incorrect answers if you write the denominator as a product of factors. In case if more than one answer option, has got 3k plus 1, you have to go to method 1. Before solving by using Euler's theorem or a negative remainder theorem, start using the answer option. Keep an eye on answer option for 5 seconds. Eliminate the junk answer option. Then get into the next level. Again, I am repeating. 9 is nothing but 3 into 3. 32 power 50 when divided by 3 is 3 11s are 33 minus 1. Minus 1 power 50 is plus 1. So answer when divided by 3 should give a remainder 1. Eliminate all the 3. One way to get the right answer is to find the answer and tell that this is the right answer. Another way is to tell one option right is to tell another 3 are incorrect. If more than one answer option is of the form 3k plus 1, we will go back and use negative remainder or Euler's quotient function. Method 1, I hope it is clear. Method 2, we will solve more and more questions as we proceed so that we will understand it. Method 1 clear, method 2. Method 3, because I am going to use these functions in the next problems. Method 3, I hope the idea is clear. Method 3. Method 3. What is the method 3? Yesterday in the class we discussed Euler's theorem. Euler's theorem. What is Euler's theorem? Those who are absent yesterday, I am repeating it again. Remainder a power phi of x by x equivalent to 1. This is an Euler proposed it to get the answer fast. What is the condition? A and x should be co-prime to each other and x should be a composite number. Euler's theorem is used when the denominator is a composite number. When the denominator is a composite number, Euler theorem can be used. What is phi of x? I will tell you right now. So this is nothing but reminder. Listen carefully. Students who are listening to it for the first time, after 2 or 3 problems, you will be extremely comfortable. 9 3s are 27. If you take a positive remainder, 5 power 50 by 9. If x9 is a composite number, write down 9 as 3 square. Quotient of 9 is phi of x is nothing but x into, yesterday we discussed the proof, 1 minus 1 by p1, 1 minus 1 by p2. What are p1, p2? Prime bases. So x into 1 minus 1 by 3. Directly it will give you the answer. 9 into 1 minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3, which is 6. Phi of 9 is nothing but 6. So directly if you write 6, you will get 1. 5 power 6 power 8 into 5 square divided by 9. Directly it is 1. 5 square divided by 9, 25 divided by 9. 9 2s are 18, positive remainder is 7. Positive remainder is 7. I hope the idea is clear. Euler's theorem is used when the denominator is a composite number. Phi of x is a quotient function. If the denominator is a composite number, write it as a power of prime bases. Do it how many are not divisible. That is exactly the reason you should not miss any class. If you are coming and attending 1 or 2 YouTube live classes and think that I will cover entire aptitude, no, I will not be able to cover. You should know all these concepts. Look at an ANC student and an ANC non-enrolled student. One student beautifully from NIT Warangal said this student to me, sir, when I compare myself, when I am preparing for CAT, I thought of preparing for bank exam, but today I think that I can get into an IIMs. Why? Because I know at least 200 plus new concepts where my friend who has joined Time, CL or any of the bank coaching center, he does not even know all this. All he knows is just a negative remainder theorem. When I am eliminating incorrect answer and I am telling it, in 15 minutes I am solving 25 questions with 20 right, and that my friend is doing in 15 minutes 8 to 10 right. Obviously there will be a difference of 30 to 40 marks. 5 power 50, Euler's theorem. First question, Three methods I solved it. Second, I will make you habituated to how to look at the answer options we proceed. This class is exclusively for the serious and sincere student, and I only want serious and sincere students into my online course because I speak less and do more and more work. We are the only institute in India where I am able to convince an MBA graduate from Oxford University to take reasoning classes. Who takes verbal classes in our online? A Stanford University MBA. You look at any coaching center right from top in the map of India to the bottom of, you will not find any institute where Oxford and Stanford graduates takes the classes. And I'm able to convince them. Why they get convinced, right? Maybe because of my way of teaching maths, or maybe they see a tremendous value that I added to the student community. When I take a class, like go to a college, I tell keep 400 or 1000 students in a class. Now another one, 2 power 498 divided by 25. 2 power 498 divided by 25. Anil Nair class students, first thing what you should do is, first keep an eye on the answer option. 2 power 498 divided by 25. 25 is nothing but 5 into 5. 2 power 498 divided by 5 into 5. Check with 5 first. Which power of 2 when divided by 5 I will get? 2 square power 249 divided by 5. 4 by 5. 5 ones are 5, minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Minus 1 means negative remainder minus 1 added with the denominator. First thing, answer should be of the form 5a plus 4. Are you all with me? Answer should be of the form 5a plus 4. 5a plus 4, right? 5a plus 4. Answer should be of the form 5a plus 4. Keep an eye on the answer option. If any option is not of the form 5a plus 4, you should delete it. It cannot be the answer. There can be more than one answer option which is of the form 5a plus 4. If there are more than one answer option, what you will do is, 25 is a composite number. So it is 5 square. So quotient of 25 is x into 1 minus 1 by x. 1 minus 1 by 5 is 4 by 5, which is 20. According to the theorem, 2 power 20 divided by 25 is 1. 20, but the question is 2 power 498. So we can write it as 2 power 20, 22s are 40, 98. So what we'll do is 24 into 2 power 18 by 25. Students might think that, sir, doing 2 power 18 by 25, isn't it difficult? No, it is not difficult. If you know another concept known as backtracking. What is that concept? To explain this concept only I took this question. All concepts, methods, patterns which comes in your examination, elimination approaches, standard approaches, clever approaches, smart approaches, all together clearing competitive exam in first attempt is an orchestra of all these things. Now, how to solve 2 power 18 by 25? Now, we will just write till here. Now see here how I am solving this question. Just learn from me how to solve difficult questions. 2 power 20 divided by 25, it is 1. So which multiple of 20 is still 498? 500. 20, 25 are 500. So these is nothing but 2 power 20 power 50 or 25 divided by 25 is 1. So 2 power 500 divided by 25 is 1. If 2 power 500 is there, this is nothing but, can I write it as 2 power 498 into 2 square divided by 25, it is 1. Is it clear? This is what we require. Let me call it as x. 4 by 25 is 4. When I further divide, remainder does not change. I hope it is clear. I'm doing backtracking. Students who are from computer science engineering, this is a backtracking method. I found out 2 power 500. From 2 power 500, I am coming to 2 power 498. So 4x when divided by 25, I don't know the quotient k, but I know the remainder as 1. So 4x is nothing but 25k plus 1. So 4x is nothing but 24k plus k plus 1. Divisible by 4, divisible by 4. K plus 1 should be divisible by 4. So answer is nothing but k plus 1 is 4k3. If I substitute 3, 4x is nothing but 75 plus 1, 76. X value is 19. Instead of doing 2 power 18 by 25, it is good if you do the reverse process. What is the reverse process? Because 25 is a composite number, I can do Euler's quotient function. 2 power 20 by 25 is 1. What is the multiple of 20 till 500? 2 power 500 by 25 is 1. From 500 I require 498. So 2 square into 2 power 498 by 25 is 1. 2 power 498 by 25 I want, so I will call it as x. 4x divided by 25 is 1. 4x is nothing but 25k plus 1. 4x is 24k plus k plus 1. 4x is divisible by 4. 24 is divisible by 4. K plus 1 should be divisible by 4. So k value is 3. So k value is 3. If k value is 3, if k value is 3, so I can substitute 25 3s are 75. 75 plus 1 is 76. 4x is 76, x value is 19. I hope the idea is crystal clear to you. We discussed a power n minus b power n. We discussed a power n plus b power n. We discussed if k is odd and the bases are in AP, how to use that property. We discussed what if the numerator and denominator are not co-prime to each other. We discussed how to eliminate the incorrect answer option. We discussed how to use Euler function. Now we discussed how to use backtracking. In case if any student is watching this video and you are already going for a coaching center, ask yourself this question: do you know all these methods? If you do not know all these methods, I'm sorry to say you are digging your own grave, or you are thinking that I will clear the exams without knowing all the concepts. I'm sorry to say, the students who knows all the concepts, who solved at least all the varieties of chances, 99% of the students who clear competitive examination are the people who knows maximum concepts. 1% of the people whom I call it as a lucky maskets, mavericks, who go to the examination hall without knowing what it is all about and come out with flying colors, right? I don't belong to that talented category. I belong to that hard-working nature category. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Right? Now we will do as many examples as possible. What is that we got? We got the answer as 19. What is that? What is that? It is 19. 19, is it of the form 5 into 3 plus 4? Yes. I told you that answer should be of the form 5k plus 4. Keep an eye on the answer options first. Keep an eye on the answer options first. More and more examples, more and more clarity we will get it. 24 power 199 divided by 13. Anil sir, why did you take this question? A smart student might ask a doubt. Anil sir, here 25 is a composite number. Here 9 is a composite number. What if the denominator is a prime number? So that is the reason I will introduce one more concept which we call it as Fermat's theorem. Fermat's theorem. What is that theorem? This theorem helps us to solve the problem in less time and space. They make our job easier. A comma P are co-prime to each other. A comma P are co-prime to each other. And P is a prime number. And P is a prime number. And P is a prime number. Remember, Fermat's theorem is used when the denominator is a prime number. Fermat's theorem is used when the denominator is a prime number. Euler's theorem is used when the denominator is a composite number. Yesterday I gave a table when to use which theorem. What is the drawback of Euler theorem? Everything I discussed. Now, if I use this 24 power 199 divided by 13, 13 twos are 26 minus 2. Minus 2 power odd is 2. So 2 power 199 divided by 13. 2 power 199 divided by 13. Beta, listen carefully. There is a beautiful catch in this question. 2 power 13 minus 1 is 12. 2 power 12 by 13 is 1 according to that one. So you can divide by 12 and you can do it. Remember, whenever 2 power 12 by 13 is 1, take all the factors of 12. Somewhere you will get plus 1 or minus 1 also. Suppose if I take 2 power 6 by 13, 2 power 6 is 64. 13 5s are 65. Negative remainder is minus 1. Negative remainder is minus 1. Are you all with me? So I want my job to be easier. So I will take 2 power 6. You can take 2 power 12 also. 6 3s are 18, 19. 6 3s are 18 into 2 power 1 by 13. Now answer over. 64 divided by 13. 13 5s are 65 minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1. So answer is nothing but plus 2. Answer is nothing but plus 2. Anil sir, how you took directly 2 power 6? What are the factors of 12? Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. In some power of 2, I will get plus 1 or minus 1. Take from highest to lowest. Take from highest to lowest. Take from highest to lowest. Why this problem? See, I am discussing. What if the denominator is a prime number? If the denominator is a prime number, right? I can use Fermat's theorem. So 13 twos are 26. Why I wrote minus outside? 13 twos are 26. Negative remainder is minus 2. Minus remainder of 2 power 199 by 13. 2 power 6 power 33 into 2 power 1 by 13. 64 by 13. 13 5s are 65 minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Third problem. I hope it is clear. Fourth one. Now see here. I will explain it. 14 power 907 divided by 11. 14 power 907 divided by 11. 11. What is Fermat's theorem? A power p minus 1 when divided by p is 1. So this is nothing but 14 power 10 divided by 11, it is 1. Just again I am telling you. 14 divided by 11, it is 3. 3 power 907 by 11. Power 10, it is giving you 1. What are the factors of 10? Next factor is 5. So check with 5. 14 power 5 divided by 11. 11 ones are 11, 3. 3 power 5 is 243 divided by 11. 11 twos are 22, 23. 11 twos are 22, 1. See, I got it. So it is nothing but 5. So 3 power 5, 181 into 3 power 905, 3 square divided by 11. This is 1. 9 divided by 11 is 9. 9 divided by 11 is 9. I hope it is clear. For me, application of Fermat's theorem is not important. How to find out if 14 power 10 by 11 is 1? Right? 14 power 10 by 11 is 1. Can I do it with the factors of 7 and reduce my calculation time? I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear, right? Now next one. More and more problems we will solve. 69 power 94 divided by 13. Third problem, when the denominator is a prime number. 69 power 94 divided by 13. First make the numerator base smaller than the denominator. 13 5s are 65. 4 power 94 divided by 13. 4 power 94 divided by 13. So according to Fermat's theorem, 4 power 12 divided by 13 is 1. Check with the next factor of 12. 4 power 6 by 13. 4 power 6 is nothing but 4 cube into 4 cube divided by 13. 4 cube divided by 13. 64 divided by 13. 13 5s are 65. Minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So instead of 12, you can also use 6. So if I use 6, 4 power 6, 6 15s are 90. Next is 4 cube by 13. 9 is 1. 64 by 13. 13 4s are 52. Answer is 12. I hope it is clear. Fermat's theorem and its application. Fermat's theorem is used when the denominator is a prime number. Fermat's theorem is used when the denominator is a prime number. Euler's theorem is used when the denominator is a composite number. Euler theorem, if the denominator is a composite, take the factors and check which answers are incorrect. Here also I will take the factors of the prime. Right? Remember, AB Concept Academy, denominator is a prime number. So that Fermat theorem is nothing but both uses the same concept beta. Quotient function for a prime number is p minus 1. Now you can solve this question very easily. Fourth question on when the denominator is a prime number. 39 power 150 divided by 17. 17 2s are 34. Which is 5 power 150 divided by 17. 17 means 5 power 16. 16 divided by 17 is 1. You want to use direct 16, you can use it. So it is nothing but 5 power 16 power 9, 144 into 5 power 6 by 17. This 1. Remaining is nothing but 5 cube into 5 cube divided by 17. 5 cube is 125. 125 is 17 7s are 119. Remaining is 6. 6 into 6 36. 36 divided by 9 17. 17 2s are 34 2. I hope the idea is clear. Directly you can use 16 or you can use the factors of 16. So 5 power 17 2s are 34. 5 power 16 by 17 is 1. What is the multiple of 16 till 140? Which is 144. Remaining is 5 power 6. 5 cube into 5 cube divided by 17. 5 cube is 125. 17 7s are 119. Remainder is 6. I hope the idea is clear. Power to the power. Okay. Now 3 power 193 divided by 244. It's a very easy question. 3 power 193 divided by 244. Which power of 3? When divided by 244, I will give plus 1 or minus 1. 3 power 5. So these is nothing but 3 power 5 power 38 into 3 power 3 divided by 244. These 243 by 244 is minus 1. Minus 1 power even is 1. 1 into 27 is 27. 1 into 27 is 27. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. You should know it. Unfortunately, after the class is over, my classes will not be visible in the YouTube live class. This is an internally developed 14 years content. I do not take me wrong, or if you take me wrong also, right, I always tell that there is no free charity. Because I say that the class will not be available, you will come on time. You will attend the class with sincerity. If I put the class for public, you will have, right, saying that I will download it, I can watch it whenever I want, but you will not watch it. right? We all need some mentors who can guide us in the right direction, who can kick us, who can inspire us, who can say us the difference between right things and wrong things. I was telling my wife today morning one thing, because I spoke about mentorship, right? The other day I read a very interesting statement. It seems Eric, the enigmatic chairman of Google, was once asked, "What is the best advice your parents ever gave you?" And his answer is what we are discussing right now. His answer is, "Go and get a mentor." And I did my research, and here is what I found. Elite athletes, top-notch businessmen, high-class professionals routinely attribute their success to mentors. Ambitious business leaders, ambitious professionals leverage mentoring process for developing, engaging, and retaining talent. According to me, what a mentor in Anil Nair classes can do to the students who are watching, it puts your preparation on the right track, not on the easy track. It enhances your score by teaching you all the best shortcuts. It clears up all your conceptual or the generic, traditional, outdated methods. It speeds up your number of questions. It improves your exam scores. It gives you tremendous self-belief that I can do it in the first attempt. And it helps you feel that no concept is tough if you get a right teacher. It recognizes and appreciates you when you do a right attempt. It breaks a mental myth that just because I come from a non-mathematical background, I cannot clear the exam in the first attempt. I always teach my students, dream big, learn how to handle setbacks, and never give up on yourself. You never know what you are made of till you put your first step. Whatever you do it in life, you should do it out of strength. And I always tell this to students, with all the sincerity and seriousness, if you start your preparation, you can be that top 1% in all over India examination. Have a good mentor in your life. Identify the areas in your preparation where you are lagging. Buy that course. Spend more time on it. Ask ANC doubt solving team as many questions as possible. Listen to Anil Nair's regularly live classes with a lot of discipline. Surrender your ego. Get ready for a beautiful story of yours where the world wants to read it again and again. Go on and start your preparation right now. That is what I can say from my experience of 15 plus years. Next one, 7 power 99 divided by 31. I am sure you can solve this question. 7 power 99, directly you will write 7 power 30 power 3 into 7 power 9 divided by 31. Are you all with me, sir? So this you can solve. So this is nothing but 7 cube power 3 divided by 31. So this is nothing but 7 cube is 343, 31 ones are 31, 33, 31 ones are 31, 2 cube, 8 divided by 31, answer is 8. Are you all with me, sir? So till now we did only the first power. Sir, what if there is a higher power? Higher power also which we will discuss. Higher power also which we will discuss. I think this is a practice question for you. 51 power 47. 51 6 sevens are 42 into 51 power 5 divided by 7. Let us not waste time. 7 sevens are 40, 49 2. So 2 power 5 divided by 7. 32 by 7. 7 fours are 28 4.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
I am more interested. This also you can solve it. 25 directly I am writing. 17 ones are 17. 18 power 16. 8s are 128 into 8 power 7 by 16. I hope it is clear. This is where the previous concept is useful. 8 power 16 by 17 is 1. 8 power 8 by 16, please check it out. You might get plus 1 or minus 1. Directly substituted. I hope it is clear. Directly substituted. Now we will go to the another beautiful problem. 3 power. Already we did this model. Now we are getting into the power to the powers. See the kind of questions which we are discussing. We are discussing a lot of good questions. Lot of good questions. Power to the power. Power to the power. See the kind of level 2 questions I got it for you. These are all the questions we are going to solve it together. All the questions we are going to solve it together. See. Total a lot of questions which we will discuss today. But your basics should be right after the class will be eliminated. Right, you have to be a part of Anil Nair classes to clear your competitive exams in the first attempt. 3 power 5 power 11111 plus 4 square power 11111 divided by 17. Are you all with me? A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is odd. So these is nothing but 243 plus 16 is 259. Any number divisible by 259 is also divisible by 7. So answer 0. Answer 0. Very, very easy question. Very, very easy question. Next one. This is an absolute 5 seconds problem. Reminder 1. 9 power 1, 9 power 2, 9 power 3 and so on up to 9 power 14 divided by 6. 9 power any natural number is 9. 9 power any natural number is 9. Unit 9 power any natural or we will do like this. Okay. 9 power any natural number divided by 6 is 3. I will tell like this. 9 power any natural number divided by 6 is 3. Am I right? Am I right? Please check it out. 9 divided by 6 is 6 ones are 6 remainder 3. 9 square divided by 6. 6 ones are 6 remainder 3. 3 square divided by 9. 9 divided by 6 is 3. So remember 9 power any natural number when divided by 6 remainder is 3. Reminder when 9 power any natural number. 9 power any natural number divided by 6 is 3. So first time 3. 3, 3, 3. From 1 to 14. 3 14s are 42. 42 divided by 6. 6 7s are 42. Remainder 0. 6 7s are 42. Remainder 0. I hope it is clear. Please write down this point. 9 power any natural number divided by 6 is 3. 9 power any natural number when divided by 6. Remainder is 3. 9 power any natural number when divided by 6 is 3. This again a power n plus b power n is divisible by a plus b if n is odd. Same idea. So 47 plus 23 is nothing but 70. Some exam model questions. 70 divided by 70. Answer is 0. Now another beautiful question, sir. 25 power 36 divided by 601. Reminder 1. 25 power 36 divided by 601. 601 is a prime number. So reminder 25 power 600 divided by 601 is 1. This is what I said. If 25 power 600 divided by 601 is 1, the factor of 600, somewhere you will get plus 1 or minus 1. Let me take the factor 25 power 2 if I take 625. Okay, let me take 2. 25 square divided by 601. 625 divided by 601. 24. Oh, then you got the answer. Then remainder of 25 cube is 25 into 25 squares divided by 601. These 24. 24 into 25 is 600. These minus 1. That means, reminder, that is what I told you. Your conscience should tell you that nearby some values you will get it. Minus 1. Otherwise, you will keep thinking that it is a difficult question. It is not. It is a difficult question to a student who does not know a concept. Or to be very blunt, it is a difficult question for a student who is not a part of ANC enrolled course. So, this is nothing but 25 power 3 power 12 divided by 601. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. Answer is 1. Such a single step you will get this answer. Single step you got this answer. Single step you got this answer. I hope it is clear. Now another one. Now instead of this, I will do this, then I will go back to this. In fact, you can do this also. A number when divided by 437 leaves a remainder of 200. Himanshu, I will discuss at the end. Yesterday also you asked, but you did not message me. 38 students purchased yesterday the course. Just wait at the end. There is a excellent, unbelievable surprise to all the students who are a part of the course right now. Just to hold on till 8 o'clock. You are going to get an unbelievable surprise today. Today is a very, very special day. Right, for Anil Nair classes, which I'll announce it at 8 o'clock. A number when divided by 437 leaves a remainder of 200. So 9 when divided by 2 4s are 8, remainder 1. 9 is 2 into 4 plus 1. Similarly, n is 437 into x plus 200. This number remainder is divided by 437x plus 200 divided by 23. 437 is divided by 23. 200 divided by 23. 23 8s are 184. So remainder is 16. This entire part is divisible by 23. This entire part is divisible by 23. 437 divided by 23. 23 1s are 23. 207. 23 9s are 207. 23 8s are 184. Remainder is 16. Idea clear, right? Now, a number when a y when divided by 5 gives a remainder 4. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. 5k plus 4. You put a random value y1. 5 plus 4 is 9. So this will become 9 power 4, 9 cube, 2 into 9 square, minus 3 into 9, plus 2 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10, minus 1, power even 1. 5 2s are 10, minus 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. 5 2s are 10, minus 1. Minus 1 square is plus 2. 5 2s are 10, minus 1. Minus into minus plus. Plus 3 plus 2. Cancel. 2 plus 3 plus 2. It is 7. 3 plus 2 plus 2. 5 plus 2, it is 7. I hope it is clear. A number when divided by 5 leaves a remainder 4. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Idea clear, right? Idea clear? Now, this is a very easy question. You don't need to spend time. 16 power 10 power 200 divided by 11. 16 power 10 divided by 11 is 1. Clear idea? Clear idea? You can take any dummy value, you will get the answer. Now, 24 power 94. All are exam based questions, sir. 24 power 94. 18 5s are 90. Remaining is 24 power 4 divided by 19. This is 1. 19 1s are 19 5. 5 power 4 divided by 19. So this is nothing but remainder of 5 square into 5 square divided by 19. 25 divided by 19, 6 6 are 36. 36 by 19, 70. 17. These are all the concepts which we discussed it. So I'm going little fast so that we will not waste your time and my time. Right? Now see here. 26 power 99 divided by 23. I'm sure you can try, give it a try, right? So these is nothing but 26 power 22 power 4 into 26 power 11 into 11 divided by 23. So these over, these is nothing but, now here your knowledge is very important. 3 power 11 divided by 23. So here check it out. 3 power 22 divided by 23 is 1. 3 power 11 divided by 23, either it will be plus 1 or minus 1. Please check it out. Please check it out. I hope it is clear, right? Denominator prime number, lot of problems which we discussed. I want to discuss power to the power. See, what you can do is, here it could be either plus 1 or minus 1. Answer could be either 1 or 22. Eliminate all the remaining answer options. Why I said? Because 3 power 22 by 23 is 1. 3 power 11 by 23 will be plus 1 or minus 1. Now, listen carefully. Now in level 2, we are discussing power to the power problems. Power to the power problems. Listen carefully. Power to the power problems which we are discussing. First one. 4 questions I will discuss under this variety. 39 power n is 99 power 80 divided by 8. Yesterday in the class I discussed, when there is a power to the power, take from bottom to top. 99 is odd. Odd power any number is odd. 39 by 8. 8 5s are 40, which is minus 1. Minus 1 power odd number divided by 8, which is nothing but minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. 8 5s are 40. 40 is minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Negative remainder minus 1. Positive remainder will be 7. Negative remainder minus 1. I hope it is clear. 8 5s are 40, minus 1 power odd is minus 1, positive remainder will be 7. Idea clear? When there is a power to power, when there is a power to the power, right? Check the first power, and odd power any number is odd, even power any number is even. Clear? Second one. Now see here. 98 power 98 power 98 divided by 11. Very good question it is. Extremely good question. 98 power 98 divided by 11. What is the concept which we are using? Reminder 1. A power p minus 1 divided by p is 1. So reminder 1. 98 power 10 divide 98 power 10 divided by 11 is 1. So this is nothing but 98 power 10. So divide this power with this one. 98 power 98 divided by 10. 98 by 98 divided by 10. Now see here. Any number, if you are dividing it by 10, any number when dividing by 10, it is nothing but a unit digit of a number. It is nothing but a unit digit of a number. So it is nothing but, remember this, in unit digit I will discuss. A power 4k plus 2 is a square. If the power is of the form a power 4k plus 2, unit digit will be a square. Unit digit will be a square. So this is nothing but 98 power 98, unit digit is 8. 98 is 4 into 24 plus 2. So unit digit is nothing but 4. Unit digit is nothing but 4. I hope it is clear, right? 98 power 98 power 98 divided by 11. Divided by 11. So divided by 11 is nothing but, if it is divided by 11, power should be 10. So the first step is 98 power 10 divided by 11 is 1. Then divide 98 power 98 by 10. What is the unit digit? Any number when divided by 10, it is nothing but unit digit 4. So I will write down neatly in the next step. So this is nothing but 98 power 98 power 98 divided by 11. So 98 power 10 divided by 11 is 1. So next step is 98 power 98 divided by 10, which is nothing but 4. So 98 power 98, which is nothing but when divided by 10, remainder is 4. So this is nothing but remainder of 98 power 10k plus 4 divided by 11. So now the things becomes easier. 98 power 4 by 11. 11 nines are 19. Oh, why are we doing all this? Sometimes our brain does not work. This is a 5 seconds problem. 98 power 98 power 98 divided by 11. 11 nines are 99. It is even. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. I am thinking that it is a difficult question, but actually it's an easy question. Himanshu, you are right. Right? I am thinking that it is 88 or a 68 or a 78, which is not giving you plus 1 or minus 1. Right? I am trying to discuss you a very critical logic. That is my next question. When I gave this question, I did not give 98 power 98. I gave some other number, 68 power 98 power 98. I was under the assumption that I need to discuss that logic, but in a spelling mistake, typo mistake happened to be solved, right? Very easy, right? 98 is an even number power any number is even. Minus 1 power even number is plus 1. Now I think next question. Next, see here, sir. Now I think next one, I will discuss what I wanted to discuss. Okay, this question I wanted to discuss. 37 power 23 power 10 divided by 13. Now see here. If it is 13, if it is a prime number, 37 power 12 divided by 13 is 1. Am I right? According to Fermat's theorem. So 23 power 10 divided by 12 is 12 2s are 24 minus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. So 23 power 10 is 12k plus 1. So this will become 37 power 12k plus 1 divided by 37. So remaining is 37 divided by 13. 13 2s are 26. 13 2s are 26. Answer is 11. I hope it is clear. Bajpayee, I hope it is clear. 37 power 23 power 10 divided by 13. 13 2s are 26. You don't need to do that. If the denominator is a prime number, numerator will be p minus 1. So 37 power 12 divided by 13. So 23 power 10 divided by 13 is nothing but 12 2s are 24 minus 1. Minus 1 power even is a plus 1. 23 power 10 is 12k plus 1. Now see the next one, similar model. 47 power 79 divided by 17. Denominator is 17, so power will be 16. 45 power 16 divided by 17 is 1. So this will be 47 power 79 divided by 16. 16 3s are 48 minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Positive remainder is 15. So 47 power 79 is nothing but 16k plus 15. So this will become 45 power 16k plus 15 divided by 17. So remaining is 45 power 15 divided by 17. Now I will tell you how to solve. Till here clear, right? We got till 45 power 15 by 17. We got here 45 power 15 by 17. Now how to solve 45 power 15 by 17? 45 power 15 by 17. 47 twos are 34, which is 11. 11 power 15 by 17, which we want. According to Fermat's theorem, 11 power 16 by 17 is 1. Here it is 11 into 11 power 5 divided by 17 is 1. 11. 11 power 5 by 17 is x. When divided by 17 is 1. 11x is 17k plus 1. 11x is 11k plus 6k plus 1. Divisible by 11, divisible by 11. 6k plus 1 should be divisible by 11. K should be an integer. 6k plus 1 cannot be 11. 6k plus 1 cannot be 22. Cannot be 33. Cannot be. If I keep taking 11, k will become fraction. If I take 22, k will become fraction. 33, k will become fraction. 44, k will become fraction. 55. 55. 6k plus 1 is 55. 6k is 54. K value is 9. If k value is 9, 11x is nothing but 154. X is nothing but 14. X is nothing but 14. I hope the idea is clear. I hope the idea is clear. Idea is clear, right? I hope the idea is clear. Clear, right? Now see here. Now listen carefully. There are still some more problems. Tomorrow again I will take the class from 10:30 to 12 o'clock to complete all the problems. Today is a very, very happy day. Today is 20th May. 20th May in 2019 online year. We have successfully completed 5,000 enrollments. 5,000 enrollments, that too in a single, the hottest selling course, which we call it as an MBA prep package. MBA prep package, one of our number one selling course. We have completed 5,000 enrollments. Any student, 8050067891. I will personally speak to you. Any student who want to prepare for MBA or a bank or an SSC, the first 10 students, I will give an unbelievable discount to you. Unbelievable discount. This discount is valid. I have created the coupon codes. It is only valid from 8 to 9 p.m. Any student who purchases from 8 to 9 p.m. will only get an unbelievable discounted offer. You have to WhatsApp me the first 10 students. You are a serious student, you do not have funds and you want to save you money, you are a student. This is a golden opportunity for you to get access to 4,200 videos, Anil Nayar's shortcut books in PDF format, 500 plus tests. You can watch it in desktop and mobile. You can watch any number of times for valid 1 year. Number system, arithmetic, algebra, geometry, modern maths, reasoning, logical reasoning, data interpretation, linear arrangement, box arrangement, floor arrangement, clocks, calendars, puzzles, blood relations, puzzle-based blood relations, analytical reasoning, arrangement, seating, facing each other, not facing each other, right? English, all the 23 subchapters, all the videos will be given to you at a single shot.
gadget, anywhere, any place, and on the go. Come, let us go the other way in learning. Download our revolutionary app for free. ANC